Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we are diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling relief and block printing materials on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning your creative journey, these top-rated products are sure to inspire and elevate your craft. So without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and discover the must-have materials that will take your relief and block printing projects to the next level. Stay tuned and let's get started. Let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling relief and block printing materials on Amazon. The Lydia's Deal Rubber Roller Brayer for Printmaking, Ink Roller Tool, Brayer Rollers for crafting, printing, inking, and stamping. This 4-inch black brayer roller is not just a tool, it's an artist's ally. Imagine a tool so versatile that it becomes indispensable. Lydia's Deal. Brayer Roller is perfect for everything from anti-skid tape construction to intricate prints and ink blocks. Whether you're stamping, scrapbooking, or creating stunning paintings, this Brayer Roller is your go-to tool. It's a staple in any artist's toolkit, promising versatility that will elevate your craft. But what about durability? With a solid stainless steel frame and strong brayer rollers, this tool is built to last. The plastic grip handle adds an extra layer of sturdiness, ensuring it withstands the test of time and repeated use. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in long-term quality. Size matters, and this 4-inch roller hits the sweet spot. It's the perfect size for your daily printing or painting needs. The ergonomic grip ensures that every use is comfortable and efficient. No more hand cramps or awkward handling, just smooth, effortless creativity. Speaking of ease of use, the non-slip plastic handle and dual fingerprints design make power and direction adjustments a breeze. This ink brayer roller adapts to your needs, giving you complete control over your artistic process. It's not just easy to use, it's a pleasure to use. Cleaning up after an intense creative session should be easy. And with Lydia's Deal Rubber Roller, it is. A quick wash with soap and warm water, followed by a wipe with a paper towel or washcloth, and it's ready for your next project. It's low maintenance, perfect for artists on the go. So why is Lydia's Deal Rubber Roller Brayer for printmaking, Ink Roller Tool Brayer Rollers for crafting, printing, inking, and stamping are number 5? It's versatile, durable, perfectly sized, effortless to use, and easy to clean. For artists who demand the best, this tool delivers unmatched performance. Next on our list, coming in at number 4, is the Speedball Deluxe Soft Rubber Brayer, a 4-inch marvel designed to elevate your printmaking experience to new heights. Let's talk materials first. Crafted from soft natural latex gum rubber, this brayer boasts a precision ground finish that promises smooth, even ink distribution. It's like having a master artist's touch right in your hand. Every roll delivers consistent results, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Versatility is the name of the game here. Whether you're working with linoleum, soft block, or woodcut, the Speedball Deluxe Brayer adapts seamlessly to any relief substrate. It's the perfect companion for your creative endeavors, providing flexibility and precision every time you use it. Durability? Absolutely. Featuring a heavy-duty steel frame, this brayer is built to last. It's sturdy, reliable, and ready to withstand the rigors of frequent use. This isn't just a tool, it's a durable investment in your artistic future. What about flexibility? The 40-40 seconds durometer rating of the soft rubber roller ensures a level of flexibility that's essential for even ink distribution. This means your prints come out flawless with every detail meticulously transferred. The brayer rolls smoothly over your work, adapting to the surface's nuances and delivering perfection with each pass. Ink compatibility is another standout feature. Whether you prefer water-soluble or oil-based printing inks, this brayer handles them all with ease. No need to switch tools. The Speedball Deluxe Soft Rubber Brayer is your all-in-one solution, ready to tackle any project you throw its way. So why does the Speedball Deluxe Soft Rubber Brayer, 4-inch, secure the number 4 spot in our countdown? It's all about the perfect blend of quality materials, versatility, durability, flexibility, and ink compatibility. This brayer isn't just a tool. It's an essential component of your artistic arsenal, ready to bring your creative visions to life with precision and ease. We're now at number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling relief and block printing materials on Amazon. And it's none other than the Cricut Brayer. This versatile rubber roller is a game-changer for all your crafting needs, from fabric to vinyl and beyond. Crafting with fabric has never been easier or more precise. The Cricut Brayer ensures you achieve flawless designs every time. This high-quality rubber roller tool allows you to personalize your fabric projects with an impeccable finish, effortlessly smoothing out every last wrinkle, kink, bubble, and pucker. Your creations will look professional, polished, and perfect. But the magic doesn't stop at fabric. The Cricut Brayer extends its prowess to vinyl, iron-on materials, and inking blocks for printmaking. It's a true multitasker, ensuring your materials adhere smoothly and uniformly, no matter the medium. This wide application makes it an indispensable tool in any crafter's toolkit. One of the standout features of the Cricut Brayer is its ability to prolong the life of your Cricut FabricGrip Mat. By facilitating smooth and easy application and removal of fabric material, this brayer ensures your mat remains in top condition, saving you money and extending the lifespan of your essential crafting surfaces. It's a small tool with a big impact on your crafting efficiency and mat longevity. Compatibility with Cricut Maker machines makes this brayer an essential companion for all Cricut enthusiasts. It fits seamlessly into your collection of Cricut accessories, enhancing your crafting experience and ensuring that every project is a success. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this tool will quickly become one of your go-to items. Cricut supplies are designed to make crafting and DIY projects fun, simple, and quick. The Cricut Brayer embodies this philosophy, transforming your creative process into a smooth, enjoyable experience. With the ultimate smart cutting machines, tools, accessories, and materials at your fingertips, you're ready to fuel your creative fire and bring beautiful projects to life right in your home. So why does the Cricut Brayer take the number 3 spot? It's all about flawless fabric crafting, extended mat life, wide application, and seamless compatibility with Cricut Maker machines. This tool elevates your crafting game, making every project a masterpiece with ease and precision. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling relief and block printing materials on Amazon? Well, don't be a brayer and roll on over to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss an ink-readable update. Next, at number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling relief and block printing materials on Amazon, we present the HRLORKC 2PCs Rubber Roller Brayer Rollers. A dynamic duo, these rollers are essential for any serious artist or printmaker. Let's talk construction. These rubber rollers are built to last, featuring a solid rubber roller combined with a sturdy plastic grip handle and a robust stainless steel frame. This trio of materials ensures durability, making these brayers your reliable partners in countless creative endeavors. Now, the perfect pairing. The set includes 2 brayer rollers, one measuring 4 inches and the other 2.2 inches. These sizes cater to all your daily needs, from broad strokes to intricate details. Whether you're working on a large print or a delicate inking project, these rollers have you covered, providing versatility that adapts to your artistic requirements. Ease of use is paramount. The non-slip plastic handle fits comfortably in your hand, offering a secure grip and effortless operation. With 2 conveniently placed fingerprints on the handle, adjusting power and direction becomes intuitive, giving you precise control over your creative process. No more struggling with unwieldy tools, just smooth, controlled movements every time. These rollers aren't just for printmaking. Their wide application makes them perfect for inking blocks, carved surfaces, stamping tools, scrapbooks, paintings, and more. They are the versatile workhorses of your artistic toolkit, ready to tackle a variety of projects with ease and efficiency. Customer satisfaction is a priority with HRLORKC. Any questions or issues? Simply reach out and they guarantee a return or refund, ensuring your peace of mind and complete satisfaction with your purchase. It's a commitment to quality and customer care that enhances the overall value of these brayers. So why does the HRLORKC 2PCs Rubber Roller Brayer Rollers set secure the number 2 spot? It's the perfect blend of durability, versatility, ease of use, and exceptional customer service. These rollers are more than just tools. They are indispensable companions for every artist, elevating your craft with every roll. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 best-selling relief and block printing material on Amazon. The 4-inch Rubber Brayer Roller for Printmaking, original version. This roller stands out as the ultimate choice for artists and crafters alike. What makes this brayer roller so exceptional? Let's start with the material. The drum is crafted from high-quality rubber, known for its durability and elasticity. This means it can handle ink or paint with ease, adhering evenly to smooth surfaces and ensuring your prints come out perfect every single time. It's a testament to the remarkable quality that artists demand. The size of this roller is another highlight. Measuring 5.9 by 3.9 inches, it's perfectly suited for daily basic needs. This roller feels great in your hand, offering a comfortable grip that enhances your user experience. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your creative journey, this brayer fits naturally into your workflow. Ease of use is where this brayer truly shines. Designed for effortless application, it allows you to exert force smoothly and conveniently. No more struggling with uneven pressure or awkward handling. This tool delivers a comfortable feel and a pleasant user experience every time. It's a seamless extension of your artistic intent. The materials used in this brayer, rubber, plastics, and metal, combine to create a robust and reliable tool. The bracket and oil roller body are built to last, ensuring that your investment in this brayer will pay off for years to come. It's the kind of quality that professional artists and hobbyists alike can appreciate. Versatility is another key feature. This rubber brayer roller is suitable for a wide range of applications, from anti-skid tape construction to prints, ink blocks, carved surfaces, stamping tools, scrapbooks, and paintings. It's the all-in-one tool that meets all your artistic needs, making it a staple in any creative toolkit. So why does the 4-inch Rubber Brayer Roller for Printmaking original version take the top spot? It's the perfect blend of high-quality materials, ideal size, ease of use, and exceptional versatility. This brayer roller elevates your artistic endeavors, making every project smoother and more enjoyable. For the best in printmaking and crafting, this roller is simply unmatched. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling relief and block printing materials on Amazon. To stay updated with all the best sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.